The Coca-Cola Vault, Atlanta's billion-dollar secret you can't touch. Let's talk about the most guarded drink recipe on Earth. In downtown Atlanta, inside the World of Coca-Cola Museum, there's a vault. Not just any vault. A 3,000-pound, laser-protected, biometric-secured fortress guarding a single sheet of paper. The original 1886 Coca-Cola formula, handwritten by John Pemberton himself. Here's the twist. You can walk right up to it, but you'll never know what's inside. Only 2 living people know the full recipe, and they're never allowed to fly together. That's how serious this is. The security? Next level. Motion sensors. Retina scans. Rumor says there are decoy vaults worldwide. In 2006, someone actually tried to sell the recipe to Pepsi for $1.5 million. Pepsi turned them in. Even rivals won't touch this secret. And get this, when you visit, they do this big dramatic reveal, only to show you a video of swirling liquid. The actual recipe stays locked in a titanium box inside the vault. Is it really in there? Or is this the greatest marketing trick ever? Drop a comment. If you somehow got the recipe, what would you do? Sell it? Start your own soda empire? Or just enjoy the world's most expensive cup of Coke? And hit subscribe for more secrets big companies don't want you to know.